guy's got a dirt bike. Alright, what is going on YouTube? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. And welcome this guy likes it. Nice. Alright. Welcome to the 2-year review of my Husqvarna FS 550 Supermoto. Hey, it is so hot today. I think it's like at least 85. It feels way hotter than that though. Alright. So you guys, we've had this bike for 2 years now. I just got my new registration sticker in the mail. And I have not put it on yet. That reminds me, when I get home I need to put it on. So yeah, we've had 2 years with this bike now, and it's still a pretty amazing bike. Definitely love Supermotos. This one in particular is a little bit tall for me, but since our 1-year review, we've probably put another 200 miles on this bike. And yeah, so we haven't put that many miles on it since our last review. Some baggers, lots of baggers out today. And yeah, so we haven't really, lifetime of the bike, there's only been one issue, and it's not even that big of an issue. And it actually happened on one of my videos. This mirror right here fell off, which I still need to order one before I sell it. That's pretty much the only issue that this bike has had. Other than that, it's been flawless for 2007. That's still pretty awesome. And yeah, I've been doing oil changes about every 200 miles. Definitely this year I would like to ride this bike to the KDS ride, and then we'll do one last oil change on it. That'll probably be my last ride on it. We'll do one last oil change after KDS, and then hopefully we'll sell it at the end of the summer. Anyway, whenever we do sell this bike, I would like to find one that has a lower seat height, because I'll show you guys right here. Alright, so you guys know Cycle Cruiser, right? He says if you're short, just put one leg down as a kickstand. So right here I have 2 legs down. I can kind of reach, but this seat is really thick. If you put one leg down, if you're short, you're gonna be leaned all the way over like this, and you gotta support all that weight on one leg. So using one leg as a kickstand does not work. This road is so bumpy. So yeah, my next Supermoto, we are going to upgrade this to a newer Supermoto that's hopefully fuel injected or electric. We're still looking at that zero electric Supermoto. But yeah, so the zero, I know for a fact that has a decent seat height. I think it's like 33 or something like that. And this seat height right here is probably like 37 or something. I don't know, it's so high. And yeah, so the next Supermoto is going to be fuel injected. and have a little bit lower seat height. This seat right here is a I forget the brand name. It's like Fat Seat, I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it up on the screen. But it came with the Supermoto. It's actually a thicker cushion, so it makes it more comfortable, but it makes it a lot higher up from the ground. And yeah, so the main thing I'm looking for though is fuel injected. And the seat that came on this, they don't make parts for these anymore. So when I first got it, I tried finding a lower seat for it, and nobody makes them. They make them for newer Husqvarnas like the 570. But there's nothing for the 550. And yeah, so at the end of the summer is probably when we will sell this bike for sure. Nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to I want to upgrade to a newer one that's fuel injected. That's the main focus, because this one does not like to start in the winter. And yeah, so if you guys happen to be interested, go ahead and register your interest now. Let me know if you're interested in buying it. I know the guy that hooked me up with the skid plate. He's really into Husqvarna, so I'll reach out to him. That was perfect. So yeah, I mean, it's been a great bike, and I love Supermotos. That's why I'm gonna upgrade it to another Supermoto. I really like this front fender. I don't know if you guys can see. I really like the front fender on this bike. I'm gonna have to take lots of pictures of that, because any other Supermoto you have to make your own front fender pretty much. And yeah, I like how this one looks, so we'll try and copy that design. So yeah, I imagine from now until the time we sell it, we'll probably put another 300 miles on it, and so that'll be 2 more oil changes. Yeah. And yeah, so the day of KDS, that'll probably be the most miles. That day alone will probably be 150 miles on the bike, and then we're probably gonna have to fill it up like 2 or 3 times that day. So gotta fill it up before we leave, and then when we get there, and then we'll be driving around a lot. Who knows how far they're gonna go this year. Hopefully they still do it. Hey. And then I have to fill up before we leave Denver, because we're gonna be driving around a lot, 1, and then 2, this does not have a low fuel light. So yeah, we want a bike that's a little bit newer and parts are more readily available. And fuel injected, that's the most important part, fuel injection. So yeah, we have put, I think it was just over 3,000 miles when we bought it, so we've put total about 1,200 miles on it so far. By the time we sell it, it'll be about 1,500. So not bad, owning it for a little over 2 years. Look at these views. Is there cops or what? Oh, it is. What do you know? I don't know what the speed limit is. Hello, Mr. Cop. I've seen some videos of people in like Europe or something doing highway wheelies on these. They probably have to be a little closer to sea level. Here we're well over a mile above sea level. So we're probably losing 15% of the horsepower. I don't know the exact amount, but the air is way thinner up here. Especially for a carbureted bike. Ah yeah, look at that. So whenever we sell this bike, well, it'll have a fresh oil change on it, and it'll also come with a brand new rear tire, because I still have plenty of tread life on this tire, and I still have that tire that I won on that one bike night. That I've not put on yet. So it'll come with a brand new rear tire and fresh oil change, and it'll also come with all the stock parts and stuff. Oh, you guys are going so slow. Once we sell it, then we'll start looking for another Supermoto. We're not going to look for one until we have the money from this one to buy it. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. That is my 2-year review of my 2007 Husselberg FS 550E. And yeah, all around amazing bike. For me, it's a little tall, and I really wish it was fuel injected. Other than that though, it's such a good bike. Little kid loves it. This fresh pavement is so perfect for going fast. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this bike, if you live in Colorado, leave me a comment, let me know. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the video, let me know what you think of this bike. Let me know if you'll miss it. I'll definitely miss it, but I don't want to have 2 Supermotos. Like, what's the point of having 2 Supermotos? So, unfortunately, we will part ways with this bike. We will let it bless somebody else's life. And then that would be fun if I had dirt tires. And then we will upgrade to a newer bike. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.